Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, and battery. Removal. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the touchpad ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Peel back the shielding that secures the touchpad to the top cover and remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchpad to the top cover. Lift the touchpad off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad.